Hi, my name is Daran Wallman, and on this video, you are going to learn how to make the air pulse while playing the didgeridoo. I'm going to demonstrate once the didgeridoo. So an example I like to use is you're at the ocean and a wave comes in inland. It comes into the shore, so it comes in strong, and the more it comes inland, the less it loses its power, the slower it gets, until eventually it just putters out, stops. And then as that water starts rolling back, it builds up speed, momentum, until it's back to the ocean. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing a pulse. I'm doing a strong drone. My lips go from a fairly tight, strong drone, and my lips get gradually looser and looser and looser until I'm just blowing air. And then from blowing air, I gently start putting my lips back together, finding that lip pressure to get the drone, the buzz going again, and then I just slowly tighten my lips till I'm back to the drone. This really helps with lip embouchure and teaching you how to get the drone just by using your lips. So we're using the soft part of the lips, and it's very gentle and relaxing. I like to practice this after I'm doing a hard rhythm for a little while. Maybe my lips get a little numb, or my diaphragm I need a little bit of a rest. So I'll do a couple air pulses just to kind of calm and relax. So again, I'll show this again. So I'm starting with my lips tight. That's what I'm doing. So I'm lips tight, lips get looser and looser and looser until I'm just blowing air. Slowly tighten my lips till I start getting the drone. Let the drone get stronger and stronger. Back to my ordinary drone. Take a deep breath of air in. You can also do this to make this a little more challenging, fun, is to use vocals with it. So I start making my drone, I have a vocal going, and I let the drone, again, fade out till it just, that wave comes in until it just dissipates on the beach. And then as the water comes back, the drone starts to build strength, and I'm doing a vocal the whole time. I'll demonstrate. So a couple different ways to practice this is you can take a deep breath in, get the drone going, and slowly let it dissipate until you're just blowing air, and then take another deep breath and start by blowing air going back to the drone, or doing like we've been doing it now. The way I was demonstrating this is a deep breath of air going from drone to air, from air back into the drone. So if start practice this by taking a deep breath of air going from a drone just into the air. And from there I can take a deep belly breath of air in, and I start blowing air back into the drone. So without the didgeridoo, took a deep belly breath of air. again, I'll do it the didgeridoo. This time I'll do from drone to air, back to drone like we originally did. And I'll do one more with a vocal. So I get the drone going, get my vocal going, try to keep my vocal at the same level, the same volume as I let my drone, as that wave comes in, as that drone dissipates out, ends. I'm just blowing air with a vocal, and I work on feeling my lips, getting the lips vibrating back into the drone. And that is the air pulse with the drone. It's my intention that you found this video helpful. There's more information in the below in the text that has information about my circular breathing lessons, more about the didgeridoo lessons, and more about who I am and what I do. Thank you so much, and have the best day ever.